Welcome back to the series on Broken to be Rebuilt based on my learnings from the Book of Nehemiah. As a recap, video 1 was Pray Without Delay. Video number 2 was Do Trust in God, Not Superficially, a Complete Dependence. And for this video, video 3, we will be talking about the third learning, Do Ask for Help. And so now I'm just going to jump right into this learning. I noticed from the scriptures that when Nehemiah heard about the destruction of the wall, he not only prayed for help from God, this is what he did first about the situation, as we discussed in video number 1. But then he also turned to others for help once he arrived in Jerusalem. And you could read this in chapter 2 of the book of Nehemiah. The task was big and he needed help. Nehemiah delegated responsibilities to various people of the town to help the process along. So, what am I trying to get to here? Is sometimes we must ask others for help. This could be in any way that makes sense. If you think that aspects of your life are falling apart and you feel overwhelmed and burdened, not only do you pray, you can ask those you trust for help with whatever you need. I realize that this takes a level of vulnerability, especially if you are the person who does most of the helping for others. This can be extremely hard. So I do encourage you that if you need help, ask for help rather than waiting or until your situation becomes so unbearable, your walls continue to crumble. And so there is no space for pride here when it comes to asking for help. Whether it be someone to help you fix your car, help with your children or child, or it could be seeking mental health support from a therapist. Whatever the need, we can ask for help. We read in Nehemiah's story that he did just that. He prayed about it first, and then he asked for help. There should be no shame in letting others you trust know that you're in a season and some help would be appreciated rather. Better that than you suffer in silence. There's no gain in that for anybody. So this is a very short video on Ask for Help. I hope that you will join me on the fourth learning, which is Expect Opposition. So hope to see you then. Thank you so much.